Namaste friends, I'm your friend Smita and I welcome all of you to my channel. It's a lovely day today and so I thought I would make a video for all of you. Today we are going to see how to prepare a topiary. Now topiary is the art of shaping plants, you can say in simple terms. You can shape plants. Whatever shape you give your plants is called as topiary. For preparing a topiary, we need a lovely plant which responds to pruning. Pruning means when you cut a plant, it should throw out a new growth and maintain the shape. So in order to prepare a topiary, mostly shrubs are used. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a topiary out of the jade plant. Now this is a jade plant which I have for many years and I have been growing it in a window box. It has beautified my window for quite some time. So now I thought I will shape it nicely and prepare a peacock out of it. So peacocks are very graceful and I love peacocks, so I thought since this plant has a lot of branches and it has a lovely falling branching, so this I can turn them into its lovely shape of a peacock, and so I decided to prepare a topiary of this plant. Now for preparing a topiary, we need a few things, like we need good quality pliers and cutter and wire which can be easily molded, like it should be soft and we should be able to mold it properly. If the wire is very hard, like if you haven't used it for quite some time, just heat it a bit and then cool it. Once it cools down, it can be easily manipulated to the shape you want. So out of this wire, I have prepared a S shape and inserted that shape into this frame, and a few branches I have taken and tied them over here. So this is the portion which is going to be the peacock's head. Then this will be the neck. I'm going to prepare the body out of a few branches from here, and then this will be its lovely tail. So here I have just put a S-shaped wire here and tied a little bit here. So we will cut off the extra growth that comes out from this using a simple seccator, like you can cut it off, this extra growth, so that it maintains the shape of a peacock head. All this extra growth we are going to remove so that we can see the lovely neck of the peacock. From both sides we are going to trim it. All these cuttings which I have taken now, this can be turned into new jade plants. Jade can be propagated very easily. Of course, it's the month of May and it's a little hot, but with a little care, maybe we will be able to manage it. So we'll remove this branch also. Here also, which is coming ahead, we will remove this. Then these branches, I will just turn them, curl them over here and make the body of the peacock. These branches, there's no need of a wire also, like they are nice and soft, and so I can just turn them. You can use the pot also for the support of a few branches, or alternately we can use a wire to tie the branches in this shape. Just tie these branches. And hide them, hide this wire in the branches. After a few weeks, this peacock will retain its shape, remove the extra growth that comes out, from the front, from the back, from everywhere. And then this though is naturally cascading. It has a lovely spread also, so there's no need to cut it off. But what comes up or doesn't adhere to our shapes, we can just cut it off and then have a lovely peacock shape here. So all these extra branches we should cut out. Don't let any extra growth also, like keep a tab regularly and remove the extra growth. See, this is the shape of the peacock. Maybe after a few weeks, these branches, I will train them like this so that it will be the correct head of the peacock. And this we can trim into a beak, like we can grow it like a beak. Of course, this is a plant topiary. It need not have all the minute details which we can easily show in a painting or a drawing or some rangoli, but somewhat resembling the shape of the bird or animal we can definitely prepare here. So this is the peacock shape. I'll show it to you from both the sides. This side also we can see the peacock, and from this side also. Basically we can display it from one side more properly. So this is the front side, and we can keep it on a higher stool still. It will cascade nicely and we can have a lovely display of a peacock in a house, you can say, in your hall or your balcony. You can display this peacock. So that's it, friends. This is about the topiary which I have prepared today for you. I'll give you updates later on. You'll be seeing this peacock in the next update. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye. See you in the next.